It's a holiday miracle, perfectly roasted turkey. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Before I show you how to make perfect roasted turkey, I want to suggest you head to Weekend at the Cottage and subscribe to our website. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. And then finally, look for us on one or more of your favorite social media platforms using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This recipe for a salt-brine turkey is one of our most requested posts at Weekend at the Cottage. We've never shot a video. I said this year, I'm shooting a video, people. I want to show you step by step how to make this at home. Trust me, there is nothing more flavorful or fantastic than this way of preparing a turkey. The main ingredient is the turkey itself. I'm going to suggest, if you can, find a fresh turkey. I'm using an 18-pound turkey. I bring the turkey home, look at the outside, are there any little feathers left behind? Run your hand along to make sure that all of the pin feathers have been removed. And then when you look at the bird, you're going to stick your hand in the rump and pull out the neck. Is there anything else there? No. Go to the top of the bird, lift up that flap of skin, and you'll often find a little bag or sachet of things like heart, liver, etc. I take those meat pieces into a small pot with a few vegetables, bring them to a boil on stovetop, and you have a perfect turkey stock that you can use later for your gravy. Before we begin, we're going to give our turkey our wash. Once we've rinsed the turkey completely, we have paper towels, blot the inside of the cavity, blot the outside of the bird. Our turkey is completely dry, and now we're ready to continue. What we're going to do is prepare this for salt brine, and you're going to do this to your turkey about 3 days before you intend to prepare. We're going to finely chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh sage, 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme. Finely chop those herbs, place them into a bowl, and then add about 2 tablespoons of an extra virgin olive oil. Stir those ingredients together. You should have a nice herb paste. Our hands are washed. You're going to take your turkey and then just placing your hands in between the flesh and the skin, just kind of slowly poke your hand underneath the skin and then lift it away from the flesh. And you should be able to work your hand all the way to the top of the breast, go down. You should be able to go around the drumsticks and just slowly lift your hand through the skin to pull it away from the flesh. Now that that's done, take a little bit of your herb mixture. We're going to slowly rub it across that flesh, and you want to go all the way deep beneath the skin and down and all the way around until that herb mixture is sitting on top of the flesh but under the skin. Now that that's done, we're taking half a cup of kosher salt. I'm going to sprinkle it into the cavity of the bird. The hand goes in and we are going to rub it all along the inside of our turkey. Now that the turkey is brined and ready to go, we're taking an oversized butcher's bag. Might take a little bit of work. Pull the bag down, place the turkey in, gather it at the top. We're going to tightly tie it, do a tight knot, and you're going to place it into the fridge. Here's the trick. Every time you open your fridge, you're going to get a cup of coffee, you need cream, tilt the bird a little bit. Next time you go into the fridge, you want a snack, a piece of cheese, turn the bird upside down. Next time, every time you go into the fridge the next couple of days, just keep turning that bird. You're going to make sure that all of the flesh of the bird is completely brined. The night before we intend to roast, right before you go to bed, onto our work surface, we're taking a knife, peel back the plastic, we're taking the bird out of the bag and we're going to place it into the roasting pan. Discard all of that liquid. We're also going to take paper towel. I want you to blot the inside of the bird and the outside. We're removing the moisture. This may seem a little counterintuitive. Do not cover your bird. You're going to place your bird uncovered into the fridge overnight. Work with me. Trust me. Next day, about an hour before you're ready to prepare, we bring our turkey out of the fridge and allow it to come to room temperature. We're going to turn our oven on to 425 degrees. Rack is in the bottom third. The turkey goes in at 425. Set your timer for 30 minutes. At that 30-minute mark, we're going to reduce the temperature to 375 degrees. For this 18-pound turkey, I'm going to need exactly 2 hours. Not long after you put your turkey in the oven, you're going to start to hear the juices sizzling. Every 15-20 minutes or so, go into the oven, take out your turkey baster or ladle, and we're going to baste the turkey with those gorgeous pan juices. I also like to rotate my turkey every half hour. Because I'm working with a vintage oven, I find that rotating the bird makes sure the outside gets nice and even, a beautiful golden brown. The turkey has been in the oven now for 2.5 hours total. I'm taking it out onto a work surface. I have a meat thermometer into the thigh of the turkey, and as soon as I place it in, the temperature starts to climb and I nail it at 75 degrees, right? I need to see 180 degrees on the thigh of this turkey. I know it's done. Now, I like to give my turkey a chance to rest. You can tent it lightly with tin foil. I like to let it rest for an hour, and this is essential. You need those juices to settle before you're ready to carve. During that period, you could do a little bit of prep work, which is what I did. I prepared beautiful garlic mashed potatoes. We did fantastic lemon ginger carrots. I made my delicious orange cranberry sauce. I even did our fabulous bean casserole. Yes, I did all of that just to show you how to prepare a perfect turkey. How perfect? I have my carving fork, a sharp knife, slice off little bits. We're placing it onto a platter. Do me a favor, put the carving set down and put your hand and take a little morsel of that turkey. Try it. Is it not the best turkey you've ever tried? Sure is. Wait till you put it on a plate with all of the other delicious stuff. Fantastic. Salt-Brining turkey, compliments of Weekend at the Cottage. We hope you enjoy, and then come on back and visit again soon. Take care.